Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get this look. It's a slight halo eye. I mean, I didn't really know what I was doing today. I didn't have a plan. I kind of had a slight idea in my head and then it changed like 10 minutes into the video. Probably not 10 minutes. I mean 10 minutes if this wasn't edited. Yeah, like I said, I really didn't know what I wanted to do today. I just really wanted to film. I was going to use a completely different color combination, but then it kind of just turned into this. I don't know how it happened, but it did, and I'm here for it. I really like the way this look turned out, and I feel like it can be worn for a lot of different occasions because it's glam, but it's not like crazy intense glam. And I'm using some new Colourpop products, and most of the products that I used in this video are affordable. I think there's only like one or two things that aren't, because I didn't plan for it to be an affordable look, it kind of just happened. But if you want to see how to get this look, then just keep on watching. I'm going to start off this look by going into the Kathleen Lights and Colourpop palette. I'm going to take the light peachy shade, which is called Magical. And I'm just going to start putting this into my crease as my first transition shade. I don't really have like a full idea put together. I'm kind of just doing this as I go because I really did not know what I wanted to do today. I had so many different looks in mind, but I kind of want to save certain looks for certain times of the year. I don't know. I don't know how this look is going to turn out, but I guess we'll see. I'm going to go into the Colourpop Yes Please palette and take the shade, I don't know if it's Mischief. Why can I never get these names right when the names are on the back? Like, why is this so hard for me? I don't get it. But I'm pretty sure it's the shade Mischief. It's the yellowy shade. You know, hopefully it's Mischief. I'm actually like dying right now. I'm pretty sure I have a fever. My throat's killing me, but I'm just gonna pretend I'm not sick. That's what I've been doing all week, so I'm just gonna continue to do that because nobody has time for that. Everybody's sick, it's disgusting, but we're just gonna keep moving on. I'm gonna go in with the shade Twinkle in the Dream Street palette, and I'm gonna start working this on the outer and inner part of my eye. Maybe we'll do a little bit of a halo eye. I don't know, like I said, don't really know what I'm doing. We're going to take a little bit of the dark brown from the Dream Street palette and just put that on the very outer part of the eye. Take a little bit of that and put it on the inner part. I'll do a bit of a halo eye, but I don't want to be too intense. You know? It's like a light halo eye. I'm going to take some concealer and carve out the center of my lid. If you look here, I went a little overboard with the brown, but it's okay because the concealer will cover that. And I'm going to cover most of the center of my eye with this. Sometimes I keep the halo eye further in, but I'm going to bring it further out, so the lid shade, it's what's showing the most. I'm going to take some concealer on a little detailed brush. This is a Morphe E19. Just going to start placing that down. And I'm just going to repeat the same thing on this eye. I'm going to go in with the shade Twitter Padded. This is the new Super Shock Shadow from Colourpop. It's like a light pink, but has a lot of flecks of gold in it. I'm just going to first put some down with my finger, and then I'll go back in with the brush. make it more detailed. So I'm just going to go back in with the small detailed brush and some of the dark brown just to blend in some of the edges so it looks a little bit more seamless. So I'm just going to throw on some mascara. I'm going to use a mixture of the Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara with the new Maybelline Total Temptation. I like both of these and I've been mixing them. I just have a habit of mixing everything. Foundations, mascaras, concealers. I have my mascara on and I'm just going to go pop on some falsies and I will be right back. Moving on to the face, I'm going to prime my skin with my Becca Backlight Priming Filter Primer. For foundation today, I'm going to go in with the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. This has been my go-to lately and this is in the shade Stromboli. I like to go in with a brush first and then I will go back over everything with my beauty blender. I just sprayed my face with a little bit of my Pixie Glow Mist after applying my foundation just because my face has been super dry lately. I do have dry skin, but it's just been extra dry no matter how much I moisturize or exfoliate. So I just wanted to do that step before I put concealer down. I'm going to go in with my Hard Candy Instant Eye Fix before I put concealer down. This just acts as a primer, but also kind of like a color corrector because it is a peachy tone. And I just feel like this kind of helps everything from not creasing as much. I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealers. I'm going to mix the shades Medium and Light Medium Honey. And I'm just going to bake a little bit with my RCMA No Color Powder. For highlight today, I'm going to use the Ofra EverGlow highlighter. This is their collab with Nikkie tutorial. For bronzer today, I'm going to go in with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This one's in the shade Deep Bronzer. And for blush today, I'm going to go in with the shade RomCom from Colourpop. This is one of their pressed powder blushes. So we're going to finish off the shade. I'm going to go back in with that yellow shade from the Colourpop Yes Please palette. I'm just going to run that yellow shade along my lower lash line. Going in with the Dream Street palette, I'm just going to take the light brown shade and also run that along my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take the dark brown and put that as close to my lash line as possible. But I'm only going to put it on the inner and outer part of my eye. I'm going to go back in with the shade Twitter Padded and I'm just going to put that in the center of my bottom lower lash line. I'm going to go in with the shade Moony from the Dream Street palette and I'm just going to pop that on my inner corners. I'm just going to take a brown liner and put this in my waterline. This one's from Maybelline in the shade Glazed Toffee, but you can use any brown liner. I'm just going to throw some mascara on my lower lash line. I'm just going to use my Lancome Monsieur Big and then we will finish off with the lips. For lips today, I'm first going to take the Colourpop lip pencil in the shade 951. This is their collab with Karen. And to put on my lips, I think I'm going to take a mixture of the 951 Ultra Satin Lip. Again, this is their collab with Iluvsarahii, Karen. And I might mix it a little bit with Aquarius too. This is their collab with Kathleen. I love 951. Put a little bit of Aquarius in the center. Spray my face with my Makeup Forever Mist and Fix setting spray. So this is the completed look. I hope you enjoyed. I actually really like the way this came out. I didn't know how it was going to go because I had no idea what I was going to do today. It came out a little bit more dramatic. I feel like I just heard someone in my house. I'll be right back. It came out a little bit more dramatic than I wanted it to. By the way, there was no one in my house. But I still really, really like it. And I like the color combo. I like the lip combo. I'm just here for it. I just wanted to get a video up even though I wasn't feeling well. I want to try to get another video up this week also, so look out for that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave so you can see my next video. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna go take some medicine and pass out. I hope to see you in my next video.